Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and in today's video we are in the workshop and it is time to make a start. Yes, time to make a start. So first things first is tidying up after a year of rooting around in the workshop. Also stuff was pegged out the back of the Jeep. Things in boxes, a couple of things to go through. But yeah, we have the teleporter here, so we're going to bring everything into all the rubbish in to put with the farm rubbish. So yeah, we'll just make a start and get it tidied, and then we'll go through everything else that's here. Anyways, we get stuck into it. Right. And now, what, Liv, half an hour? An hour?
An hour?
An hour, and the workshop is looking reasonable. Excluding that line there, and that kind of area there, it's not too bad. We'll be able to get in and out. That, yeah, I'll get that done when we get the skip gone, because there's some copper and there's aluminium there to be got rid of. And then this pile here is actually stuff for going on machinery. Kind of want to go through some of it anyways. So I have set headlights I bought off Auto Sparky going to 6270. They're them LED headlights, same as what we put on the 6290 that we done up. That sat in the corner of that shed for 5 years but isn't anymore. There's them. That's a bit for the 3075. That's a water pump for the 1200. I didn't actually think we bought that half anchor line. There's a couple of goodies in here we got off Murphy's. Got a massive flap for the 3690, and yes, the 3690, no one has seen it, everyone asks about it. It's sitting in a shed inside waiting to be fixed. When will it be fixed? I don't know, but at some stage. Full service kit for the 6499, which we will be making a video on. That's my radiator for the 135 whenever I eventually get in. And these two big boxes here, you might be wondering what's in them. And I think, yeah, I can take this box off handy enough. Ooh. Not in place. We have two brand new Grammer seats to go on to the tractor. So the 6270, because it's no longer working at all, and I don't know what the other seat was bought for. My father bought two of them. The opportunity come up to buy two new seats at a very good price, so he just said feck it. He bought them. We needed one. We'll have one for whatever now. So that's some of what's there. With the bench tidied up. And the 1200, starting Monday, we are going to be taking into the 1200. I know it's been a long time waiting. We got it in, and then the summer come round, we didn't get time, and now we are back. We're in October now. Slurry is finished. Last job ticked off the list today, and it's time to get back at it now. We have, as you've seen, water pump to go on it, because the water pump, is the bearing gone or is it seized? No, the bearing is gone. You can see the wobbling. Don't think the water pump is, no, water pump's not seized, but the bearing is gone in it, so we have the new water pump to go into it. We have two second-hand tires to go on it, because at the minute this tire is larger than the far tire, and when she's driving, she's pulling on, so we have two tires to go on there to match up with the tires on the back. But the first job Father Phil wants to do, and it's the job before we do anything else, is bring it out of the shed, and he wants to power wash it. And there's Bertie. How's Bertie? So after we ripped out the floor in here, we kind of noticed how dirty it was, and he wants to get in here and power wash it all out, because he wants to split it. So his plan is to take out the engine, take off the front axle. He wants to take off the front axle to get at the brakes, to get some reasonable brakes working in it. He wants to take out the engine for 2 reasons. One is to do the clutch in it, which he has the new clutch there somewhere. And the other is to get in at the pumps, the hydraulic pumps on it. There's one of them in there, it's missing one. I can't see it. But it's to get in there to get at the pumps. So with the engine out, it makes it just a lot easier to actually be able to just stand into the front of it, get at the clutch, get at the pumps, and get everything we need to get going right on it. Also, fully replacing all the hydraulic pipes on it, all the pipes will do. And hopefully then, set of lift arms, and hopefully we'll have it going. But we are starting into that from Monday. And yeah, that's the big thing. I know this video, there's not much in it, it's just cleaning out and a few bits and a few bobs. But yeah, this is the teaser for what's to come. Starting Monday, we'll be at the workshop and we'll be getting this 1200 out. And when we get the 1200 out, because hopefully, if we get on well, we should get it out before the end of the month, ready to do a bit of work. Then it's what will we bring in next? Is it the crystal? Is it the 60? It's probably going to be the 64A. If I have my any say in it, it'll be the 64A and we'll be getting it going again. So that'd make the most sense, wouldn't it? But yeah, any other news, Liv? Before we call it quits at that? Did I say anything about the tractor? I was looking at that, not say what it was.
No, you're not buying it.
Okay.
Are you just on a mission to annoy me?
No, and the reason Father Phil isn't here, because if he was here, we would actually get a bit done on the tractor. And other than that, we probably would have made a start at it tonight. One woman and her dogs. Can't get enough of them, can you? No. Just one other thing. This gilet, or body warmer as we call it, came all the way from America. Some followers out in America sent it on to us. Dunleavy Construction. Incorporated. So yeah.
You got one too.
Did I get one?
Yeah.
And that's why it's a big, long, strange number for Ireland. So yeah, anyways, that's it. This is a bit of a teaser of what's to come. October, slurry's finished. Time to get back in the workshop. Get this girl out of the shed and ready for some work for next year. But anyways, we're going to leave it at that for today's video. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel. Videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. That's it from us. Good luck. That is 600 horsepower. It's giving us some ragging.